Students, now we are going to learn exercise 3.1 to 6th problem. From a group of 2x square black base, square root of half of the group went to a tree. 8/9 of the base went to the same tree. The remaining two got caught up in a fragrant lotus. How many bees were left in total? Okay, total number of bees 2x square. For the square root of half of the group went to a tree. Again 8/9. 8/9 means what? 8 by 9 of the bees went to the same tree. The remaining two got caught up in a fragrant lotus. How many bees are left? We have to find. Listen students, first question, what are the things given? Take and write. Total number of bees, that is equal to 2x square. Total number of bees is 2x square. You have to use the equal to symbol properly. 2x square. First batch of the bees went to a tree. Yes, for here first batch of the bees went to the tree. So that is what is given? Square root of, that is from the group of 2x square black bees, square root of half of the group went to a tree. So first batch, half of the bees went to the tree. So that is square root of half of, what is the total number of bees? 2x square. So that is 2 to cancel. So after cancelling we have root x square, then again square and square root cancel. For square root of x, this and this cancel. Yes, after that is equal to x. Then second batch of bees, that is 8/9. Is again 8/9 of bees went to the same tree. So that is 8/9 of bees, that is total number of bees 2x square. Now cancelling is possible? No. So that is you have to make multiple these two. 8 2s are 16. 16x square by 9. Then after this remaining two bees are left. After this only two are left. Yes, so it is also given in the question. So now you have to make this as a equation. So that is 2x square. It is a total number of bees 2x square minus x. It is from this total how much is went outside. Yes, total number of bees is 2x square. This x, number of bees went to the tree, x. Number of trees remaining, the 8/9 of bees went to the same tree. So that is 8/9 into 2x square. That is 8 2s are 16x square by 9. So from this total number of bees you have to subtract these 3. So that is number of trees went to the tree, then the second batch, first batch and second batch, then remaining 2, that also you have to remove from this total. Remove in the sense subtract from this total, that is equal to 0. Now here you have one fraction value, so you have to first simplify this fraction number. So what do you have here? 9. So the total equation multiple with 9. So that is 2 into 9, 18x square, 9x. For here minus 16 by 9 into 9. 9 cancel. So that is 16x square minus 18 is equal to 0. Now you have to simplify the like terms. 18x square minus 16x square, that is 2x square. These two have a different sign, so you have to make a subtraction. The x term we have only one, take and write minus 9x. Constant term minus 18 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. You have to find factors. So that is 2 into 18, 36. Here you have minus 18. So that is minus 36. That adding value is minus 9. So find the factors for 36. That is 3 12s are 36. We need minus. So in these two factors, any one of the factor is negative. So that you have to choose with this sum value. It is negative. So greater number you have to use negative symbol. Okay. Yes. In the beginning, this 2 multiple with this constant term. After finding the factor, divide by 2. So that is 3 by 2 minus 12 by 2. that is 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. So the factors x plus 3 by 2 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this implies x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. X minus 6 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 6. Number of b's cannot be negative. Yes, number of b's cannot be negative. So the total number of b's 2x square. So 2 into 6 whole square, so that is 2 into 36, that is 72 b's. Seventh question. Music is being played into two opposite galleries with a certain group of people. In the first gallery, a group of 4 singers were singing, and in the second gallery, 9 singers were singing. The two galleries are separated by the distance of 70 meters. Yes, where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice? Okay, hint given, that is the ratio of the sound intensity is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. It is a hint for us. Okay, listen student, for this question, two groups of singers are there. That is first group with 4 singers, the second group with 9 singers. Yes, distance between these two groups is 70 meter. Yes, so we want to find the galleries are separated by the distance of 70 meter. Where should a person stand for hearing the same intensity of the singer's voice? Okay, we want to find the position of the person who have to hear the voice or singer's voice. Yes, okay, so that is, it is the position A, it is B. This is for position of a person. Okay, 4 singers group at A, 9 singers group at B. It is S is the position of a person. Okay, so A is the distance between the first group, music group, and the person is X. Total distance is 70. So here to here, what is the distance? 70 minus X. Okay, so that is AS is equal to X, SB equal to 70 minus X. Okay students, yes. Listen students, the hints is given in the question itself. The ratio of the sound intensity is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. Yes, the ratio of the sound intensity, the 4 singers sound, yes, that is 4 by 9. Ratio means you know. Yes, it is in the A is to B, it is in the form A by B, fraction form. 4 by 9 is equal to distance between these two, X by 70 minus X. So that is X square by 70 minus X whole square. Yes, square of the ratio of their corresponding distance. So we have to use square. Now 4 by 9 is equal to, for numerator and denominator have commonly whole square. So that is, you have to write it as a same power. So that is X by 70 minus X whole square. Yes, so that is, for you have to take root on both sides, taking square root on both sides. Yes, so that is root 4 by 9 is equal to X by 70 minus X. So that is, what is this meaning? Square and square root become cancel. Okay, so this become root square root of 4 by 9 is written as 2 by 3. So that is equal to X by 70 minus X. Now you have to take a cross multiplication, that is 2 into 70 minus X, that is 140 minus 2x is equal to 3x. Now you have to simplify this. It is, this 2x moves here, so that is 140 is equal to 3x plus 2x. So that is 140 is equal to 5x. So you have to make cancel. 1 5 is 5. It is 2 5s are 10. Balance for 8 5s are 40. So x is equal to 28. So the distance SB, the distance between these two, position of the person and this second gallery group, yes, 9 singers group. So that is, distance between these two is 70 minus X. So you have to find here SB is equal to 70 minus 28. That is equal to 42. So therefore, a person stand at a distance 28 meter from the first gallery. A person stand at the distance 42 meter from second gallery.